The boss is here.
The boss is the boss, yeah.
You see right here, it says boss.
Yes.
Are they awake?
Wow.
Good sized lobsters. Everyone is, I think, above 18 centimeters.
Nice. Hiro-san, take a look at this.
Yeah. Watch out, Daddy, watch out. They bite.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah, look.
It's a big one.
These are big ones, yeah.
Nice.
For
Hiro-san,
Yes.
another amazing dish here in the Faroe Islands. What could be just as special as the background fried salmon we've been using? How about this? Faroese langoustine. These are very, very well known here. Anytime you're coming here to the Faroes, give this a try. They're supposed to be sweeter in the tail. There's not much in the claw, but I think another way would be grilling it. We're gonna have to try that later on, right? But what are you gonna make today, Hiro?
Just make quick sashimi.
Sashimi. Okay, let's do it.
Sure.
All right. This thing is pretty long. It's over 12 inches from end of claw till body and the claw. Of course, the main way. Okay. All right. Okay. Usually when the fresh is so meat. Usually when the meat is so fresh, it's hard to take it out of the shell, but
Okay, this is truffle clear soy sauce, also from Fundo Dai Company, Kyushu, Japan. Kiwi.
Alright, Hiro-san, to the best part. You ready?
Yes.
Enjoy. This is like langoustine sashimi in 2 minutes or less, okay?
Oh, so fresh. Of course, fresh. The bouncy texture.
Doesn't get better than that. Alright. Well, we have a whole box here. We'll have some more soon. Stay tuned for the next episode. Show you what else we do with these beautiful langoustines. See you soon, everyone.
Yeah. See you.